Individual Ajwah Dates. Discover nature's treasures. Ajwah Dates. Each carefully wrapped in transparent plastic to ensure impeccable hygiene standards. A rare gem celebrated for its dark, luscious appearance and distinctive taste. Special script-like texture on their skin, providing a truly distinctive aesthetic. With a soft, chewy texture, each bite is a delightful experience. Packed with highest food safety management in our ISO 22000 certified facility. Sealed with precision through fully automated machines, our packaging eliminates messiness and the risk of cross-contamination. What's more, we offer a personalized touch with custom-made services, allowing your company or brand logo to grace the packaging. For detailed information about Date-Licious Individual Ajwah Dates, feel free to reach out to us today.
Have a date with deliciousness. Have a date with us.